Welcome to another episode of Rebellious Mastermind. And today I'll be talking about four different types of fishing rods. Because a lot of people have been asking me this question: what type of fishing rod should I be using? And usually these are people that are beginners or don't really have a lot of exposure in fishing. So I put this video together to kind of give you guys a little bit of information and a little bit more information on how to figure out which fishing rod is the best for you at the time that you start fishing. You could be a mid-range, you could be intermediate, you could be a starter, you could be a pro. But today, these four fishing rods will help you identify which fishing rod is really the best for you when it comes down to fishing. So here I have four different fishing rods. The first one I have here is a Spincast. This is more of a starter type of fishing rod. A lot of people, it doesn't really matter depending on what kind of fishing rod you fish with. You're really just having fun. But if you don't really know anything about fishing and this is really your first time, I would suggest you possibly using something like this. This is a spin cast fishing. It has a button. You easily cast it, reel it, and you just go. This is the spin cast fishing reel. All right, and this is an ugly stick. I love ugly sticks. They're really awesome, really flexible, very versatile, very used for all type of fishing. But that's more freshwater. And then here we have a spinning reel. This is the most common fishing rod that everybody sees. This is a ugly stick with a pen spinning reel on it. This is just a regular lake water freshwater fishing rod. Is really great for trout, bass, catfishing, anything that has to do with freshwater. This is the spinning reel. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have seen this everywhere. This is the most common. This is more for and another thing, this is more for like the intermediates or pro. It doesn't really matter. Once you get the hang of this, it's pretty easy to use. That's not rocket science. So we have this. And then my favorite, this is here we have the baitcaster reel. This is more what you see with the pros that do a lot of bass championships, or you see them on the TV. This is really more intricate, a little bit more advanced, and it really takes a little bit more knowledge on how to use it. It does have a button like the spin cast reel, but this is definitely have a little bit more gears to kind of adjust. It all depends on the weight of the fishing rod, or the not the fishing rod, but the the lure that you're using. So you kind of have to adjust it, and there's different gears here, and that takes a little bit more advanced. But I love this when I'm going fishing for bass. It's very light, very quick, very you know it does the job, and you could do it on different angles, underhand, upper hand, getting tighter corners with this, and I really like this. But either or, I like the spinning reel as well, but this is more my flavor. But it all depends on what I'm fishing and what type of lake I'm fishing at, or what I'm fishing at. And then here we have something that we call a saltwater fishing rod. This is a spinning rod, but this is also a saltwater. And the difference between this spinning reel and this one right here is that this is saltwater, and the gears that come on this are actually a little bit more geared to saltwater, because once you use water, so you're reeling this in and out, in and out, and then you're getting salt water in here. It kind of has different components in here that are geared more for salt water, so it's not the same components that you would use for these three right here, for which are more geared for fresh water. I use this when I like to go for a striper. This is a really heavy duty. As you can see, this is a lot bigger than these. This is a massive, and I use like a 60-pound braid on this. This is a ugly stick with a pen slammer, and this baby is a beast. I've caught some monsters on here. So if you ask, so I have some volunteers here. So Ashton, what's your favorite fishing reel?
The Spincast.
All right. Cool. Nice. It's a nice one.
Alright.
All right. And then Pierce, what's your favorite?
It's the spinning wheel.
All right. Let me see the fishing reel. That's nice. Pretty cool. All right, guys. So if you guys have any questions about what type of fishing rod, here you go. That's all I have for you guys. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, let me know your comments, and let me know what type of fishing rod you like and which one's best for you. But it's all at the end of the day, fishing is all about having fun, enjoying the weather, enjoying your friends, enjoying the quietness. It's very calming, and I enjoy it with my kids. They enjoy it, but fishing is awesome. And those that you that do enjoy it, let us know. See you in the next episode.